Hi guys, so this was actually meant to be look number 4 for my December special, but it didn't quite make the cut because December done. But I still did something for you. Jumping straight in, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony to fill in your brows. And to clean up our brows, I'll be using a mixture of the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Cool Tan along with their yellow corrector. I'll also be using this yellow corrector on her lid as a base. And for this entire look, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Okay, so this first shade here is called Punta, and I'm using this as a transition shade, and I'm using a Makeup Addiction blending brush to apply this, and I am using circular motions. I suggest that you guys use circular motions for easier, nicer, cleaner blend instead of doing windscreen swipe motions. You can use both techniques, but don't ever use windscreen swipe motions only, because that would just leave you with harsh lines. I learned the hard way. So I'm just adding the shadow just to make it a bit more intense. Then next I am using this shadow called Bun in her crease just to deepen it up some more. And to apply this, I'm using a taper brush. So for each shadow, I'm going with like a smaller brush, So here I am using the windscreen swipe motions because I want a more concentrated placement that's into her crease. So yeah, so this is where the windscreen swipe motion comes in, and I'm also doing circular motion so that it has a nice blend into the transition shade. I hope I'm making sense. So I'm just building and building, blending. Then next I am using this dark brown shade, well not dark brown, most like a dark brown shade with a pencil brush. This is even a smaller brush, and I'm taking that into her outer V and gradually take it into her crease. So you place it at the outer V because that is where you want the most pigment, then you take it into the crease. You don't even have to add any more shadow. So now I got it. Here I'm using windscreen swipe motions because I want a concentrated placement into her crease. And I'm repeating the step. Place it at her outer V and then I gradually take it into her crease. Little kid shit, now don't let it get to me. Literally, the whole world know this shit. Need a girl, but you busy chasing hoes and shit. You the type to try to keep it on the low and shit. I need a real flight, nigga, I'm the coldest bitch. I'm so. I didn't show the shadow, but here I'm using this color called Soda Pop. It's like a deep purple, almost coming across as black or brown, just to deepen up this area some more. Fuse that brown, and to make it have a nice transition, I am going in back with that shade called Bun with that tapered brush just to blend out the brown. Then I am adding some more brown just to make it a bit more intense. Here I am using the Zoeva 144 brush to cut her crease, and this brush is bomb. Like the shape that the brush has, it just makes it so easy to cut your crease. So the brush does the work for you. And did I mention I'm using yellow LA Girl yellow corrector. Oh, and I did mix it with the highlight shades, like this white concealer. So I mixed those two to cut her crease. Here I am adding back some shadow. I'm adding Bun to her lid, just so that it has a nice transition, from dark to lighter to lightest. So I'm adding Bun, adding back Central, that dark brown shade called Central Park. Then I am using these two nudie shadows on her inner lid. And to add these shadows, I'm using patting motion. Patting motion. They're just patting that matte shadow on. So for matte shadows, you want to pat them on. Then in her inner tear duct, I am using this peaches and cream pigment called Disco. Just for a little more Zeus, tap it up a notch, tone it up a little bit. Adding that bun once again, because you want to make sure everything is perfect before you do your wing eyeliner. So for my wing eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline ink eyeliner, something like that. And the best way I can explain how to get a nice wing is doing it in sections. So if you notice, I did the inner portion first, then I did the wing, the outer area, the tail, did the tail, and then I filled in the middle. So try this technique and I'm sure it will work. It's so much easier doing your wing this way. Okay, so for her lower lash line, I'm adding bun. Then I deepen it with central part, that's the dark brown shade. I find that when you add shadows to your lower lash line, it makes it look so much more complete and it looks more uniform. For eyeliner, as always, the best eyeliner in the world, I'm using the Maybelline Master Drama Foil Liner, and that is it for the eyes. I won't do a voiceover for the rest of the video. Just keep watching. Watch the extreme end because I have a treat for you guys. There is bloopers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you learned something or if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
For you they don't deserve, baby, that's real talk. Couldn't help but fall for you. I would give it all for you. I would take a loss for you. Girl, your love is priceless. They couldn't pay the cost for you. Yeah. Damn. Shoot the shit, baby. I should've been on the original. Shout out to Young Tiller too. Yeah. Rich right now. Wally. Yeah. After 2 a.m. it's really asking a lot of you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. But you don't ever come to me, shawty. Yeah. Baby, don't you try to play. You know why they take when something's wrong. Yeah, you know I can see that shit. You don't gotta hide those emotions. I wanna know what's going on. Yeah. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. My pride's not all in my way, even if you feel it all in my face. Yeah. You know, girl, I love you so. Yeah. And I believed you when they told me down. Yeah, I still believe. Cause either way, you still my baby, and I won't ever lie to you. Yeah. Swear these days all you say, yeah. Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Oh, but you don't ever come to me, shawty.
Why you gotta stop, boy? Why you gotta stop? Oh, am I asking for too much? Is that too much? I know you care about us, so just be upfront with me, baby, and say what's on your mind before we run out of time. And I'm not saying it'll be easy, baby, please believe me, I'm just saying it's worth a try. With all this love I got right here for you.
Yeah, with all this love you got right here for me, I can tell you really care for me. Yeah.
Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Come to me. You don't ever come to me. Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. Won't you ever come to me?
Won't you ever come to me? Yeah.
Will you ever come?
Oh baby, pour me water, holy water, quench this fire. Pour me water, some holy water, make it quench this fire. Everybody want me, make I no fall in love with you. But I no answer them, I tell them say na you.
It again, say hello.
You're not putting this on?
Yes.
Why?
That's say hello, no. That's
Hello.
weird. You're not even proof say hello.
The hell am I gonna do? I cannot bring a kid back to that.
God help me. A chair.
Me not hear you. No, me want you what you say. She not put makeup in my ears. Why are we couples?
Guys, she said we must put on cut crease. Sin of our sin.
Look at her. Huh?
Good eye.
Credo. Cuenta, don't get me. Tongue up.
I'm gonna put that on YouTube.
Can you have a red face because he ain't getting back his face? To send this something, let me send to Shannon. Oh, my bad. When can come out now? Stop now. Jesus Christ. What do I do paparazzi feel like?